In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message yourself in Slack. This simple yet incredibly useful feature is perfect for jotting down quick notes, saving links, or even keeping track of to-do lists directly within your Slack app. So, let's dive into it and explore how you can utilize this feature for your productivity. First and foremost, you'll need to open the Slack application on your device. This could be on your desktop, laptop, or even your mobile device, wherever you typically access Slack. Once the application is open and you're logged into your account, we can move on to the next step. Now, you'll see the main interface, which displays all your channels and direct messages. Look towards the top left corner of the Slack window. Here, you'll find the search bar, which also acts as a command center to quickly find people, messages, and channels. In this context, it's going to be your gateway to messaging yourself. Click on the search bar, and in that space, type your own name as it's displayed on your Slack profile. If you're using Slack in a work environment, make sure you're selecting your name as it appears in your workplace group and not from any other organizations or personal workspaces you might be part of. Once you've typed your name, you should see it appear as a search result, typically listed under Direct Messages. Click on this. By doing this, you'll open a chat window where you can start sending messages to yourself. This feature essentially allows you to create a personal space within Slack, almost like having a notepad that's always accessible across all your devices with Slack installed. In this messaging window, you can write notes, save important links, or even upload files that you want to access later. It's a great way to keep important information at your fingertips without the need for additional apps or programs. You can use it for anything from drafting replies to composing quick reminders. Now, here's a helpful tip. If you're using Slack on a mobile device, you can access this self-chat by tapping on the Direct Messages tab and selecting your own profile from there. This ensures you have the same functionality when you're on the go as you do at your desk. Finally, remember that this self-messaging feature is private and can only be seen by you. It's a safe space to store sensitive information without worrying about others viewing it, as they would in a shared channel or group chat. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to message yourself in Slack, making it easier to stay organized and keep track of important notes. I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do in managing your day-to-day tasks. Enjoy using Slack to its fullest potential.